Now what soup be this or what soup? If you be Urhobo woman say you not sabi prepare this kind of soup, let me say you still get a lot to learn. Other tribe people they come marry our Urhobo women just to eat this food. Make you know how delicious this food they be. I just prepared this morning. Guys, come and join me because I won't start now to the eat. Urhobo to the world. Oh, what soup is ready? This is Christy, the Urhobo language tutor and the dancing queen. Oh, yeah, now. It's over. Urhobo to the world. Katona for na way, Muna Sian. Tico, na te kukaso. Tico and dry fish. Tico and dry fish. Oh, what soup international. Oh, again, and if you taste this food here, oh Jesus. Not like it, oh, I beg. Every other food they learn. Except if you not cook away. If you cook away like this, oh God. Urhobo wado. Oh boy, every now. Oh, whatever my baby work bo. Urhobo to the world. Oh yeah, sharp. As the hot. Oh, so now no. So now what run? What are you na? Oh God. Mini ke na ke mi ke gbigayo to rewio. Odi o tu ege. Oyoko. Oh, you see me to boy baby yo jo bo ye ke bo asame wa na. Amusi. Let's give me go back time. But oh God. Oh, the guy warrior, you see warrior, you now see, oh, now ever. Forget it too. It's too much. Try ya, see ya. It's cool. Ya. Ooh, it's cool. Urhobo too much. Hey, Urhobo what down? Oh, yoko. Litiko na bon. What they real na? Your life will never remain the same. I enjoy you wait. Urhobo wado. Ariko mabaye ari ogbe. Wado. Nje go no wa o. Kesi e fa o.